Girl Squad. In today's video, I have a few things to do. You're going to see me do my hair. I also have a couple of things I need to do in the garden. I want to prune a few of my tomatoes and bell peppers. This is my rose oil that I currently am selling on my website. My website link is in the description of this video so that you can purchase your own. I just finished shampooing my hair inside of the shower. I am rubbing my rose oil on my hair as I use my fingers to detangle. Since I am going to be working in my garden, I only want to comb and dry my hair. I am not even going to flat iron my hair today. I stopped using a lot of the metal clips in my hair, and now I use this plastic clip that I got from Target. My children and I all have long natural hair, and having a wide tooth comb like this is essential. I recently told my cousin Janine, whom is a master hairstylist, about this hairbrush dryer, and I wanted to give y'all more information about it on this video. This is a pink and black Revlon hair blow dryer brush. This is specifically called the Revlon Salon One Step Hair Dryer and Styler in pink. This is like the ultimate hair blow dryer for my long natural hair. It used to take me over an hour to blow dry all of my hair, but with this Revlon hair blow dryer, it only takes me about 20 minutes and I'm done blow drying all of my hair. I purchased this hair blow dryer from Walmart for $35. I checked these websites today, and I am going to tell you that today I saw this hair blow dryer on Ulta Beauty and also Walmart's website. I looked on the Revlon website, and it looks like at this time they're sold out on their own website. I made these blue gummy bear earrings. I still have some available on my website right now. There is a mysterious plant growing inside of my garden. I did not place it there. It's in the same flower pot that I have my bell peppers in, so let's check it out. This is the plant that I am talking about, and my sister told me that it is a weed. I am ripping this thing out of this flower pot because this flower pot is only for my bell peppers. So this weed must leave right now. Now that that is done, I am pruning off some of my white bell peppers. Growing bell peppers is definitely easy. One of the best tips that I can give you for growing bell peppers is to put these plants in direct sunlight. After I took these plants from my porch and I put them in direct sunlight, they started to develop rapidly. This is everything that I pruned off of the plants in my garden today. There are cherry tomatoes, green and white bell peppers in my basket. I did not record everything, but you can watch me snip off cherry tomatoes and green bell peppers in another video. I diced up some of my cherry tomatoes, green bell peppers, and white bell peppers, and I put some season, an egg. It was actually a raw egg, some other ingredients like mustard and Old Bay, all of that. I put all of that together with the crab meat and I placed it inside of a bowl after mixing it up and let it sit for a little while. And now I am creating these miniature crab cake balls. I am making these for my family to eat along with some mashed potatoes, and I'll have sauce on the side for them to dip their crab cake balls into. This is what they look like before they're going into the oven. This is what they look like now that they're done baking. This is our lunch for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video, share this video, watch as many times as you want, and subscribe to Kiara Studio on YouTube if you haven't yet. You'll see me in my next video. Goodbye.